Hello and welcome to this new video in which I'm going to share something I've been looking for so long. Now, this new platform is helping me reach a huge audience with simple comments by finding the best social media posts on different platforms for me on my niche and my keywords, then allowing me to respond to these posts using AI. And in this video, we are going to explain how to use it to leverage your AI interface and how you can easily use this platform to build your audience and increase your outreach. So to get started, the first thing that you would need to do is to click on the button in the video description to go to the sign up page. They have a free version where you can try out the platform, and it's basically an AI social post finder and replier platform. So the first thing that you would do, if this offer is still valid, they have a lifetime deal that starts at $59 that you can take advantage of. Anyway, I'm not talking about the money. We are going to try it for free. And to try it for free, simply click start for free today. And once you click here, you will go to the registration page, which basically asks you to sign in with your Gmail account or simply create an account. So I already created an account and here it is. Now, this account will be where we are going to set things up. Now, now the first step is adding a new project. So click here, add your brand name. So let's say my brand name is EEA, Educational Engineering Academy. And I'm doing this explanation and I'm going to actually use it on my Education Engineering Academy, which is my main academy. Now add your domain. My domain is academy.eduengineering.com. Now write the description in details. And here you might need to use AI to write a very specific description for your platform. And for my platform, which is Educational Engineering Academy, I will copy the description from my homepage. So going back, you can also ask ChatGPT to write a description by simply copying all of the text from here, go to ChatGPT or any free AI software, write the text and ask it to write a description for AI to use to reply to social media posts, comments using my academy info. And press enter. Now, I'm doing this in front of you just to show you in a step-by-step manner how it's done. It will take a few seconds, but it will generate a response that you can use. So, social media replies, p-worm, okay, mention, features, good, okay. Now copy this, go back here and paste it to the description area. Now click next step. And here you can add the negative keywords. Now you can set the suggested keywords like engineering, robotics, education. Okay, education, no, maybe embedded system, Arduino. You can add as many keywords as you want depending on your plan. If it is free, I think you have 5. So let's say circuit design, PLC, IoT. We also have mechatronics, which is an engineering field. We have ESP32, STM32. We have simulation, circuit simulation. Okay, now click add keyword and you can add negative keywords. These are the keywords that you don't want the software to look for or to avoid as much as possible. Now click next. Here you can see I select all the networks. And once you select all of them, click finish. Now, once you click finish steps, it will take few seconds to, realize what's happening. And The next step is, as you can see, going to the mention page. Now, in the mention page, you can see here that we have engineering work as a keyword. So it did, let's say, extract this post from Reddit, and it's dated, as you can see, 7th of February. It's a new post. It has a new tag. Now you can generate a reply, you can view the post, or you can skip it. You can select any network from here so that you can start replying. And I'm going to select LinkedIn. Now, once you click generate reply, it will start generating reply. And I'm using GPT API. You can use any other API depending on your specification. Here is the command. Copy the comment and go to view post and simply paste your comment, the comment that was generated. So go here, paste the comment and click comment. That's it. I just replied to a post that discusses something related to my field, and people will see my comment. The post owner will see my comment. They will also see my academy, as you can see, link. So using AI, I managed to do this. Now mark as replied, and this post will disappear so that you can take on another post. I recommend at least responding to 10 posts per day. Now, some of you might ask, why I have to do this manually? Why it's not automated? Well, at this stage, it's not automated because most of the platforms can detect automated responses and can block your account. So you have to do it manually. And I'm guessing that at some point in the near future, they will allow automated responses in some aspect, but it's a very promising platform. They have a lifetime deal. This is why I'm recommending it as well. Now, again, you can go to the settings, and from the global mention settings, you can scroll down and choose your model, the model that you are going to use. You can edit it and you can add the API key. They have support for all of the models that are available on the web. You can select the number of posts to fetch on each request. Now, when to fetch posts and the country and language. You can enable auto fetching so that you can get new posts every day. Now, again, you can get reports. You can create a new report in which you can write the company name, the client name, and it will generate a sophisticated report covering all social media, as you can see, posts that you can reply to, and it will be a tool to show your work to anyone you are working with. Now they have the replies section, which basically shows the replies that you have posted. They have the prompts where you can create a new prompt, as you can see, in which you can dedicate this prompt to answer users in a specific way. Now they already have a default template that I used and it's working amazing. As you can see, I just added my website link and some details and defined all of these. Now you can choose the character count to reduce the amount of money you are spending. Let's make it 300 maybe, and you can update accordingly. You can go to mentions, and in here you can wait a few seconds to generate replies and start mentioning. You can visit your keywords here to see what's happening. You can delete some of them. Now I'm talking about this project. You can choose the other project and control it. I have 2 projects right now, and this is a very promising tool. I was thinking to create a similar tool myself, but when I found it, I thought, why not using it? Why should I create it from scratch? So it's amazing. It's a way to interact with your followers and other people followers on posts on social media that really matters to you. Okay. Thanks for watching. Again, if you joined using the link in this video description, you will get an extra discount. This was a quick walkthrough. I know that I took some time, but I like to do things step by step. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. This is Ashraf Explains.